KCTV Lon Rashapi daga Frank Motors Kajaka dekali ga bathamai jong Tata Motors halat ko ni Shillong ringkat baganet foodish ordal mapi nginwan ramani hakir dobyeng jompi.
No, definitely, but we have to sit down and I cannot take any decision by myself. Being a PP leader at the same time as a president of the party, you have to sit down along with the MLAs and with the party worker also. That is very important. No, right now this is not the appropriate time for me to talk about that. But definitely we have to start to to prepare for the 2023. But it seems like the minds, the perception of the people, they want to see that political party like regional party, they should come up. That's what the perception is. I'm a man of principle. Remember that. From my childhood till now, I'm a man of principle. When I stick something which I do for the best, for myself, for my family, and for my people, that I'm stick till now. Nobody can change me that. Yeah, definitely some of them we had a discussion, we had a talk, but we'll see. Maybe after July. That.